Imagine switching on a futuristic operating system and it instantly activates a team of AI agents that study, build, and market a future-proof info business for you or your clients. Sounds unreal, but in this video, we'll go over just that. GuruOS, the first agentic operating system that clones any person or business into a coordinated team of AI agents that build, market, and sell a business from scratch for you. And as you'll see in more detail soon, anyone regardless of technical experience or skill can use this. Step 1, the operating system learns you. Upload your content, ideas, or links, and GuruOS instantly studies your voice, experience, and style. Then your AI agents apply it automatically, so everything created feels like you or your custom brand style, not generic AI. Step 2, agents build your products. Course agents use their expertise combined with what they've learned from you to create structured, high-quality courses with clear modules and transformation paths. They also design polished video training lessons with templates, ebooks, and full learning experiences ready to sell inside free or paid cloud memberships you can easily customize and set up for students. Plus, choose to add coaching agents in a click that mentor and answer questions in memberships 24/7. Step 3, launch gamified communities. Next, choose to automatically build a dynamic gamified community around your courses where members engage and win points that can go toward prizes and coupons. Let members compete on leaderboards, win badges, and even refer others for referral points that drive automatic leads so your community's profit, not just sit there. Plus, have AI keep it active by creating and scheduling relevant content and auto-responding without you even needing to be there. Step 4, build amazing sales pages. Have marketing agents write high-converting sales copy based on time-tested formulas and turn it into landing and funnel pages ready to sell your products, complete with payment checkout too. Step 5, traffic and lead agents get sales. Finally, leverage coaching and lead agents that interact with visitors on pages to build your list, redirect to trainings, and even accept payments. And watch traffic agents create launch and traffic campaigns around all your specific products and style. Bonus step, follow the $20 million blueprint to guarantee results. Tap into the exact system behind $20 million in real launches so you're not just guessing. Just follow the proven steps to create winning info products, position them right, and launch them for maximum results based on 16 plus six-figure launches from scratch. Okay, let's dive into the app in more detail now. First, create a workspace to organize any specific school or courses, products, and communities. Click Create New and choose to have the Magic Setup Wizard easily walk you through training your agents and creating your first profitable course step by step. Or easily edit any workspace we already set up, like this, and edit the name, description, and branding information, and let us assign you a domain name or use yours. First, you may want to train the operating system by clicking Knowledge Base, and then feeding any important information all your agents can pull from to help create the courses with your unique insights, marketing materials in your unique style and brand, etc., so they don't produce generic AI content no one really cares about. Give any overriding instructions here, upload your documents, add URLs, and paste content which all your agents will remember and pull from without having to train them over and over. Then, to create your first product, navigate to Membership, Courses, and manually add your course, or have an AI agent generate one from scratch. Choose to have your course free to access with an email or paid. Pick a course agent from the setup, or navigate to Course Agents and add one that way. Train the agent on any material it should specifically understand in addition to pulling from your original training. Then pick from tons of course agents with different expertise and styles ready to help create your products. Then the agent will help you create a profitable course leveraging your custom voice, history, and insights that stands out from generic AI, leveraging our proven step-by-step process. The agent will create a detailed outline of your course and then allow you to create the written out text in depth for each module and chapter. Create everything from full in-depth video course outlines you can turn into slides later on to quick solution PDFs and ebooks you can customize too inside GuruOS. Easily edit the modules and individual lessons with ease, add text, videos, resources, and even choose to drip feed certain modules. Preview your course at any time so it's exactly how you want. Students can easily sign in and out and see all your modules, videos, exercises, and more in one place. Go to templates to convert plain text with no video in a course membership into a high-end style to make it more valuable. You can add custom images if desired to any lesson, and then choose to download your entire text course as an ebook to sell by clicking the button here. Now, to make our course more valuable and helpful, choose to add a coaching agent and upload your written course to the knowledge base so that the coaching agent understands it completely. Go to Coaching Agent and choose to clone yourself into an agent with all your knowledge, or pick from ready-to-go coaches and done-for-you niches. The coaching agent can respond to students 24/7 in your paid membership, helping with retention and progress. Now, to start getting leads to our course to buy it, you can choose to add multiple free or paid communities to your course. Navigate to groups and choose to add a free or paid group, or edit an existing one. To access your free community, users will need to register, which allows you to add their email to any autoresponder to market your products to. Then they can interact with others using rich engagement technology, including sharing videos, images, GIFs, responding and liking comments. To add gamification to your community, navigate to Settings, Gamification, and choose to reward members with points for doing things like completing lessons, commenting, and more. Assign badges to members that reach certain point levels. Even create rewards that they can unlock if a certain amount of points is reached. Members can see themselves compete on different leaderboards, and even activate viral referral link technology that can give them points by referring other people to your community, unlocking perpetual leads and buyers. Now, to keep your community active, even when you're not there, you can leverage AI to write custom posts and then auto-schedule them to the group. Even create AI members to make the group seem more active at the start, and auto-respond to comments with AI too if you want. To really help the product sell, leverage a marketing agent that's trained to write high-converting copy based on your courses, including email swipes, JV swipes, and DMs for your launch, funnel page copy, and more based on millions generated in successful launches. So the agent will walk you through creating your landing page and product launch copy based on our proven step-by-step process in easy mode, or leverage freehand mode to act with your agent more freely. Then click Customize Pages to build your sales page proven to get your course and community sold. Leverage the simple done-for-you editor to customize the page how you like, including choosing from different templates, adding branding styles, adding the copy, adding videos, complete with payment checkout like Stripe if needed. Okay, so we have our community starting to bring in leads and traffic, but let's leverage lead and marketing agents to really start sending our visitors to our landing pages to auto-get sales. Select from chatbot agents or clone yourself into one that can educate visitors on your products, pulling from your knowledge training, and then do things like sell your products in the chat, send links, and even capture leads right inside the chat. Create a new one or edit an existing one at any time. You can customize appearances, default messages and replies, lead settings, interaction settings like capturing leads, and more. The chat agent will interact with leads on mobile or desktop, educating them on your company and then capturing their information to send to your autoresponder. Plus, leverage marketing agents to pull in traffic to the landing pages. Agents pull from your training or their custom prompts to create traffic pulling materials like social videos, engaging posts, and even generate high-quality graphics for pages or social content. This content will drive traffic and help sell your products because everything will be in your unique branding style, and therefore get love from the algorithm and attract the right type of leads, not generic AI slop that will just get ignored and doesn't work. You can even leverage certain agents to turn your text courses into high-end slide-style video courses fast and easy. Okay, so believe it or not, that's just a tiny bit of what GuruOS can do. Remember, you can use this technology for yourself or rent out operating systems and individual agents to customers as an agency to help them leverage agentic marketing and expand their business globally too. Now, never before has it been this easy to create an entire future-proof business from complete scratch that will easily sell with everything done for you, regardless of your experience or technical expertise.